In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Microsoft Teams camera not working. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, we'll make sure Windows is allowing apps to access your camera. Open your Windows settings, which you can do from the Start menu or by pressing the Windows key and I at the same time. Once Settings is open, go to the Privacy and Security section. This is where Windows controls what hardware and information apps can use. Scroll down inside Privacy and Security until you reach the App Permissions area and select Camera. In this Camera Settings page, confirm that the Master Camera Access toggle is switched on. If it's off, Windows simply won't let any apps use the camera, so this is the first essential check. Next, on the same Camera Settings page, scroll down through the list of installed apps. Find Microsoft Teams and make sure its individual toggle is also turned on. That grants Teams permission to access your camera specifically. If Teams doesn't appear in that list right away, open Teams once, then return to this screen and check again. With permissions confirmed, switch over to Microsoft Teams to configure the app's own video options. In Teams, open your device or video settings. This is available via your profile menu under Settings and then Devices, or during a meeting through the More Actions menu and Device Settings. Either route takes you to the video device controls. In the Devices or Video options, look at the camera dropdown and verify the correct camera hardware is selected. If you have more than one camera, including built-in and external USB models, make sure Teams is pointing to the active device you want to use. Selecting the wrong device is a common reason the preview is black or Teams shows no video. After selecting the right camera, you should see a preview appear. If the preview stays blank, try restarting Teams so changes take effect and close any other applications that might be using the camera. Also check for a physical camera cover or mute switch. Confirm any external camera is securely plugged in, and look for the camera's indicator light to confirm it's powered. If everything looks correct but the camera still doesn't work, a quick system restart often resolves lingering driver or permission issues. That covers the essential checks and fixes for camera problems in Teams. Follow these steps carefully and your camera should be back online in